Another area in which they have lost out has been another institution, the Hammam, or the public bathhouse. Not a sacred site, obviously, although involved in the preparatories to tahara and prayer. Usually in a traditional Muslim society you certainly wouldn't do ghusl at home. It would be a very eccentric thing to do. You'd do it at the Hammam, which traditionally was at its busiest before Fajr prayer. You can still see this in a few places. The Hammams have separate spaces, obviously allocated for men and women, and the female space was, as anybody who's visited a truly traditional Muslim community will know, important social centres for the engagement and interaction and socialisation of women. That too has been taken away, and in the most modern Muslim cities the Hammam is virtually invisible. Some parts of the Muslim world it still retains a kind of shadowy existence, but the presence of modern bathrooms in people's houses has tended to deprive women of this important centre of public socialising.